So, this is 2023 Disney 100 Kakawow Cosmos 2-box figure parallel 62. I didn't start the video when I was opening the boxes. I don't think I've ever done that at the Blez. An accident, but an innocent and harmless one. You can rewind the stream to about 3:10 p.m. about an hour and 10 minutes into the stream, and you'll be able to see me opening the packs if you need to. But here we go. It's Kakawow. It's 2 boxes. It's pick up parallel number 62. Let's zoom, zoom, zoom. All I want to do is zoom, 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 zoom. All right. Good luck, everybody. Wow. Okay. Well, our first pack has some guy named Mickey Mouse in it. If that's not a good start, I don't know what is. Mickey Mouse on the silver for D range. Gone golfing. That is as good as it gets on the silver. Literally. Ain't nothing better. Mickey is Wemby, and if Wemby and Shohei had a baby, his name would be Mickey Mouse. All right, let's continue. Baymax. Big bellies all over the place. Lollipop, lollipop. Oh, la la lollipop. Donald Duck base, Qui-Gon. Vanellope, Princess Vanellope with the confetti in her hair. Nice pink bow tie. She's so cute. I know Feeling Blue likes the Vanellope. Lilo. We're getting so many good silvers here. Lilo now. D-Range is crushing it with the silver spot. It's such a good spot. Poster art time. Poster art time for Nas. I see Marvel. Marvel Studios. That's pretty cool. The Infinity War. I'm not gonna lie, who is that? And I know Infinity War. What the hell's going on? Who is that? I literally don't know who that is. How do I not know who this is? Winter Soldier? Infinity War. I didn't. I don't understand. Am I living under a rock? I don't understand. Is there a movie I haven't seen? I'm so confused right now. Who is that guy? I mean, I know Winter Soldier, but where's Winter Soldier in Infinity War? Nice. Count Dooku and General Grievous on the Spirit. Oh, yeah. Now I know who he is, Feeling Blue. Thank you. Dooku and Grievous, a Spirit piece for Nas. Daisy Duck, another Spirit here. They're usually back-to-back packs. Pinocchio. Pinocchio on the Spirit. Very nice. Beautiful Spirit on the Disney. The 9 o'clock Spirit, if you will. Die cut of Anger. That's a good one. Like I said, you could get some duds. Most of the robots in general, I feel like, are duds. But Anger is good. I mean, you know what I mean. Anger. Anger on the die cut for Aaron. I like that picture. Excusez-moi. A cosmic firework of Pepper Potts. with her rescue armor. The fireworks for Nods. Pepper Potts. It's a Pepper Potts piece. Hey. Thank you, that dude. Appreciate you, Wiggy. Wiggy, any new flavors on the horizon? What is this? We got something here. What is this? Cosmo, I think. Oh, it's Yondu. Yondu with his arrow and his whistle. He's a great actor, by the way. I forget his name in real life. Michael something, maybe? No. What's his name in real life? What's this actor's name? Nice Cosmo there for Nas. I love Yondu in Guardians of the Galaxy. 89 of 188. Michael Rooker, I was right. Yeah, Michael Rooker. He's a great actor. I thought he was awesome in, he was great in a lot of stuff. He was really good in Walking Dead. I liked him in Walking Dead a lot. If he has lemon pepper, I'm gonna have to get that. I need that. Lemon pepper would be my favorite. I guarantee that would take over my favorite as the salt and pepper. I need that lemon pepper. Nemo, get me that lemon pepper, dude. You make the lemon pepper happen. That needs to happen ASAP. Anger now on the silver. So we get the die cut and the silver from inside out. That's so great. We're angry. It's an angry case. Haha. Oh, now we got this card. The final frame. Final frame? Star Wars. Silver of Darth Maul. Sick. Darth Maul. Why do they only give him one lightsaber? What's up? What's up with that? They gotta give him the duel. Where's the freaking... Where's the whole thing? You know? That's like the first time I've said bad picture in this product. I can't believe they didn't give him the whole thing. Sabine Wren, excuse me, and Spidey on the final frame. You guys like my lightsaber noise? Oh, poster art. Looks like classic Disney. It is Cinderella. Cinderella on the poster art. Great stuff. I mean, I personally recommend getting the poster art cards graded, but you guys do what you want. That is awesome. You told me that I would like the old fashioned. I gotta try it. You said that to me too. You said that to me for sure. I haven't tried the cowboy yet. Excellent Cinderella on the poster art there. For Nas. Alright, we'll do the final frame. Spirit, it's Ezra and Kanan. Ezra and Kanan on the Star Wars Spirit. I think that goes to the same, that's the same puzzle as this one. No? Look, oh. Look at that right there. It's part of the same thing. That's cool. You got two pieces from the same one. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggy's here, and he's coming out with lemon pepper, bro. He's coming out with lemon pepper flavored wings. Or lemon pepper flavored whatever on the jerky. We need lemon pepper in our life here. Spirit, yellow spirit. So you're gonna get two of the yellows also. Dumbo, nice. I'll show you. This is actually really cool. I can't believe you got two that match for each. I think. I'm pretty sure here. You see? Pinocchio's gonna be here. And Dumbo's gonna be at 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. On the Dumbo and the Pinocchio. That's cool. Let me throw away these empty packs. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. What's up, fam? Scrooge on the bass. Die cut for Aaron of Mirabelle. That's a good one. Very good. So you did well with the die cuts in this one. You got Anger and Mirabelle as your 2 die cuts. Mirabelle's great. I still have to see the movie, but I know she's popular. Goes looking for her door. Mirabelle and Anger are 2 die cuts for Kirko. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Fireworks. We know that. When we see that color of the fur, we know exactly who it is. That's a good one. That's a good one. So you're going to get Pepper Potts and Sully. Any Sully is a good Sully, in my opinion. Love Sully. Love the way he looks on cards because of the color of his fur. Excellent. Fireworks for Nas. The Pepper Potts and Sully. Now, we have one final hit. It's going to be in this pack, and based on the collation, it's supposed to be a good hit in this pack. Let's find something spicy. Good luck. Let's find something spicy. I don't know what we've got. I'm not peeking. Not peeking. No peeking! There's Winnie the Pooh. The Pooh! Little piglet. Oh, I see a color back there. I spy with my little eye something very red. Red is to 75. For Nas, it's going to be Mulan. Mulan to 75 on the red. Beautiful. 15 of 75 on the ribbon color match of Mulan. You need to get this graded, Nas. This needs to be graded. This card is begging to be graded. It's saying, grade me. The red is beautiful. Excellent, excellent, excellent hit. We predicted correctly. It's a beauty. I'm serious. This is so crispy. Get it graded. This card is just asking to be graded. I saw all the... Whether you do it, I don't care if we do it or not, but I'm just saying, grade the card. I saw all the Kakawow at National was graded, and it was just so good. Let's do a recap. Yeah, right, Superfan. It's the last thing I would ever do. I just angled it. I angle that towards my wife, Superfan, if she were here. All right, recap. Some silvers, nice Anger, Nemo, Vanellope, Lilo, and some guy named Mickey Mouse. Maybe you've heard of him. Dumbo and Pinocchio on the 2 yellow Disney spirits, and then on the Star Wars spirits, you got Count Dooku and General Grievous, and then Ezra and Kanan. 2 fireworks, you got Sully and Pepper Potts with the armor, the rescue armor. Mirabelle on the die cut, and Anger as well. Cinderella, poster art. Infinity War, there's Winter Soldier on the poster art. Yondu, Cosmos to 188. Beautiful cards, but not as beautiful as the Reds to 75. There's Mulan for Nas. And that was mic check 1 2 1 2 Cosmo boxes Kakawow from 2023. Pick your parallel number 62. Solid break. Thank you for joining. 6 boxes left in the case.